Right. Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss about ASCII arithmetic operations in microprocessor and interfacing lab. So let us have an example. So as I already said, ASCII numbers are represented as 30239 in this particular lab. So we are going to take these numbers as the inputs we used to perform, and the output should be in a ASCII form. The first program is a ASCII addition. So in ASCII addition, see how we are doing here. So XOR AX, we are just first clearing the contents of AX as 0000 by performing XOR between the same register. And now SI 2000 is taken for giving inputs. So in 2000 memory location, which is pointed by SI, I am going to give two ASCII inputs, like let us say 32 and 34. Now, so how this operation is done means, with the command called after addition of this data, what do we get actually? And 66 we get. But this particular AA command, it adjusts this data in the form of unpacked ASCII. That means it will adjust the data into 0006 format. So after AAA ASCII adjust after addition instruction, this data is going to be converted into 0006. But what do we expect in the form of ASCII addition result is, so 3234 result is actually here in the form of normal addition. This is 2, this is 4. What we require is 6. 6 in ASCII number we need is, so 3036 we require in AX register. So whatever the normal decimal addition, BCD addition, we used to take 2 plus 4 equal to 6, but in ASCII output we require 36 as the output. How this is going to be converted means, so first after performing the addition, normal addition between two inputs, this ASCII adjust after addition command converts this into this fashion. And for this data, what I am going to do in the next instruction is OR AX, 3030. So for this I am going to add 3030, which produces as the actually desired output of 3036. Nothing but 06 is the actual decimal output, but to represent 06, what we write in ASCII is 3036, and the same result is going to be so posted in the next memory, consequent memory locations. See, the details about ASCII adjust after addition will be clearly discussed in your theory classes, but as per the lab point of view, you just need to understand the operation of AAA. So it converts the packed data available in AL register into the format which is very sufficient for converting into ASCII. So that's the only point to be remembered. So let us check the execution of the same program. So I have selected a memory location called 6000. So here I have typed the program. So now I am going to give inputs in the memory location of 2000. What I gave is 35, comma, so let us say 32. So actually if you add 35 and 32 in ASCII form, what we require is 37. So 37 represents a normal 7 number in other than ASCII. So let us execute this using G command, G space 7000, enter. So the memory location is 6000, what we have selected. So G space 6000, enter. So if you observe the contents of register AX, it represents the ASCII equivalent of addition what we have given, 3, 5 and 3, 2 we have given. So the result should be, if you add 02 and 05 and 02, 07. to represent 07, what we get is 3037 in terms of ASCII. For example, if we change the inputs in 2000 like 35 comma 35, normal addition means 5 plus 5, 10 should be the result. So 10 should be represented as 31 and 30. 3130 represents in ASCII as a 10. So if we give these inputs and let's execute the program. So G space G space 6000 enter. Okay. S space 2000 35 comma 35. So now I am going to perform addition of 35 and 35. The result should be 10 in ASCII form, which is represented as 3130. This is how ASCII addition takes place. In the similar fashion, we can go for ASCII subtraction also, just by changing two instructions here, like by changing this add to sub and by changing this AAA to AAS. ASCII adjust after subtraction. For example, if I have taken a 36 and 32 as the inputs for subtraction, what should I get as the output? I should get as a 34. If you take means 36 nothing but 06 normally, 32 nothing but 02. What should I get is a 04 after subtraction. So for 04 should be represented in ASCII as a 30 and 34. This result should be obtained once we perform the ASCII operation on the given input data. Now in the same program, let us just modify those couple of instructions. So A space 6000. So the rest of all are same. So here I am writing sub AL comma BL, which subtracts the data AL comma BL from AL, and here I am writing AAS, which represents ASCII adjust after subtraction. Rest of all the program is same. Now for this, so first I will check the inputs what I want to give. S space 2000. I am going to give as 36 comma 32. So what I should get is 3034 in ASCII. Now just execute G space 6000 enter. So you can see the result here. So 3034. So the main operation of this ASCII adjust after addition, ASCII adjust after subtraction is it actually converts the lower nibble of AL register into the format such that it converts into ASCII form. It just adjusts the data. So you can get a clear explanation of these instructions when you study about the instruction set of 8086 microprocessor in your theory classes. So for lab point of view, you just understand this concept. So you have to give ASCII numbers and you have to get the output in the form of ASCII number in this way. Now similarly, we are also having ASCII multiplication and ASCII division. Now let us see about that. Right. So now coming to ASCII multiplication. So in this ASCII multiplication also, we are going to take two ASCII numbers and we used to take multiplication, and with the help of ASCII instructions we are going to check the output. So for this, for example, if we are having 36 and 32 as the inputs. So for this logic there is a small change in the previous programs, and this is, so first thing we are going to take this data into AL and other data into BL. But if you want to perform actual multiplication, the intention of our multiplication is we want to multiply 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12, and in the ASCII the output should be represented as 3132. So this is actually the intention. So to perform multiplication of 6 into 2, but if we multiply 36 and 32, we are going to get a wrong result. So for that case, so what we do is, initially if you see, we have cleared AX register. Now move SA comma 2000. In 2000 memory location we have given these inputs. Move AL comma SI, means the data available in 2000 is first taken into AL. Now after that what we did is sub AL comma 30. We are going to subtract 30 from this so that we get AL equal to 06. What we expect is that we want to multiply 6 into 2. But in terms of ASCII value we want to represent that shit. So if you take directly 36 and 32, the result will be completely different. And similarly, we are going to take the next input in BL register as BL equals to 32. Here also we are going to subtract 30. So after subtracting 30, we used to get 02. Now this data is in the form of a actual required multiplication, means 6 and 2. After this, what we did is mul BL, means it multiplicates the data available in BL with the data available in AL and stores the result in the AL itself. For example, 6 2s are 12. After this instruction mul BL, AL contents will be 0, 1 and 2. So 12. Now comes the purpose of this AAM, ASCII adjust after multiplication. What this ASCII adjust after multiplication do means that it converts the data available in AL register in the unpacked form. For example, unpacked nothing but it converts it in the form of 0102. That is the purpose of AAM. So AAM instruction converts the lower order data of AX register into unpacked data form. Unpacked means suppose 12, 13, this is all packed data, we can say 1, 2 is a packed data, 1, 3 is a packed data. Unpacked data means 0102, 0103, 0405, this is called unpacked. This AAM instruction converts the packed data available in AL into unpacked form. So after AAM, the AX content will be 0102. So what we want to get the result is 3132. So after that we are just adding OR AX comma 3030. So we are performing OR operation and AX register content will be 3132. This is how the ASCII multiplication result can be obtained. This 3132 will be stored back into the next consequent memory location, means 2002, 2003. So your data will be 32 and 31. In this way the data is stored. Now let us execute this program and just check. So I have already given this program in A space 6000, right? So for this I am just giving inputs in 2000 memory location as 36, 32. What result I am expecting is 3132. G space 6000, enter. So if you can observe that the register contents of AX is a multiplication of 6 and 2 is 12. In ASCII form it is represented as 3132. The same result can be checked in memory location using SW 2000, enter. So 36 and 32 are the inputs, output is 3132. So this is the operation of ASCII adjust after multiplication instruction in ASCII arithmetic operations. Coming to the last ASCII arithmetic operation called ASCII division. So for performing division, generally we used to take a 8-bit, 16-bit divided by 8-bit or 32-bit divided by 16-bit. So for this case we are going for 16-bit divided by 8-bit data. So if you go for the program, suppose the intention of our program is 24 to be divided by 6. But these two data in terms of ASCII how to give is 3234 is the ASCII input and 36 is the divisor. We need to perform division between these two and we have to get the result. So how do we get that? See the program. So XOR AX AX, we have cleared the contents of AX register. Now for giving inputs, I have taken 2000 memory location pointed by SI. Here 2000 location will be stored with 34, and then 2001 is 32, and 2002 location, the second input is a divisor is stored. First what I did, I have taken move AX comma SI. So this entire word 3234 first input is taken into AX. AX equal to 3234. Then I have done subtraction of AX with 3030 to get actual data 0204. Afterwards I have taken move BL comma SI is plus 02, means 36 is taken into BL register, BL equal to 36, and then I have done sub BL comma 30. What I get 06. Now comes the picture. So if you remember AAA, AAS, AAM, all these are ASCII adjust after addition, after subtraction, after multiplication. But the difference between this 3 and this instruction AAD is ASCII adjust before division should be done. This is actually before division, means before performing division this data has to be adjusted. What it actually adjusts means, now if you see the content of AX is 0204, this is AH and AL. So this AAD instruction converts the unpacked data available in AH and AL into its equivalent binary number. For example, so this AAD converts this 0204 as 16 in AL. So nothing but 16 is the actually hexadecimal equivalent of 24. So 24 divided by 16 you get 6 2s are 12. Sorry, it converts it into 18. Why? Because if you take a hexadecimal division of 24, 16 ones are 16 and a remainder is actually 8. So this AAD instruction converts this 0204 data into equivalent number of 18 in AL. So now after AAD, what happens? AL content is actually 18. 18 is the hexadecimal equivalent of 24 what we require. Now after that we are giving div BL, means it performs division of 18 with the number 6. So as a BL is having 06. So it performs a division operation and the result is stored in AL again. So what happens if you go for division of this? So you need to have a 04 here, and once you get 04 for this data we are going to get OR AX comma 3030. So that will convert this data into 3034, means you are dividing 24 with 6, the result should be 4. That 4 can be represented as a 3034 in form of ASCII numbers. So this is what we get. So need to understand the operation of AAD. AAD nothing but ASCII adjust before division. What this do is it converts whatever the unpacked data available in AX register. In suppose 0302, if we are thinking about 32, it converts this 32 into its equivalent form. Suppose 16 2s, 16 2s 32, it converts it into 20 in AL. As simple as that. It converts the unpacked data available in AH and AL registers into a equivalent binary number in hexadecimal, so that we can perform operation on it. So let us check the same result here. So A 6000 XOR AX AX move SA 2000. Now here I need to write move AX comma SI, and here I should write sub AX comma 3030. After that move BL comma SI 02, enter, sub BL comma 30, enter. So ASCII adjust before division, so div dl or ax comma 3030 move si 03 comma ax into 03. This is a program. So now how to give inputs. So S 2000. Now here, so if you are giving a 24, nothing but 3234. So this is a lower bit data first to be entered, then higher bit should be given. So for this I have to give first 34 comma 32 comma, what is the divisor I want to give? 36 is the divisor. After giving the inputs, press enter, reset, execute the program using G command. You can see here the output is obtained as a 3034. For the inputs of a 24 divided by 6, we have to get a 04, and that 04 is represented as 3034 in a ASCII format. So this is about ASCII arithmetic operations in microprocessor and interfacing lab, and the same result can also be seen in memory locations also. So this is the input, 3234 is the input, means 24, and the result is 3034, divisor is 6, and what do we get is 04 as the output. 3432, this is the divisor, output is 34 and 30 means 04. So this is the output, right? So thank you, and hope you understand this. Please watch these videos and share among your friends so that you can save a lot of valuable time in the laboratory sessions.